And Prime Minister Modi addressed an election rally in Barabanki near Lucknow on Thursday afternoon. It was attended by about 1 lakh people, and for those attending, it was a day-long exercise as most came in by buses and then waited in the rally grounds for hours to hear the Prime Minister speak. Alok Pandey now reports from the rally through the eyes of 3 people who came for it.
सबसे बेटर तो हमें नोटबंदी का लगा।
क्यों जी?
क्योंकि नोटबंदी से जितना परिवर्तन हमारे देश में आया,
लेकिन उससे राजनीतिक लाभ होगा कोई?
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल होगा।
क्यों?
क्योंकि आम जनता बहुत खुश है इस चीज से।
And with these words, it's mission accomplished for 22-year-old Pradum Vishwakarma, a recent BJP joinee, also an RSS member. He was tasked with getting at least 20 people from his village to Prime Minister Modi's Barabanki rally. Pradum got 30 and disappeared into the crowd soon after. At the rally venue, hundreds of buses and private cars to get people to listen to Mr. Modi. Sunita Devi made it to the rally ground at about 2 p.m. She says she walked over 10 kilometers to listen to the Prime Minister in her best sari. Her husband, a labourer, is away for work in Delhi. Her children in the care of others at the village. By the time the Prime Minister got to the rally ground, it had already been a 4-hour wait for Jialal and Hanumant. One 65 years old, the other over 70. Both old friends from the same village in Bahraich, brought to the rally by BJP workers in a bus.
अगर गरीब बीमार हो जाता है, उसको तो सरकारी अस्पताल, सरकारी डॉक्टर के बिना उसका कोई चारा नहीं होता है। गरीबों की बीमारी की चिंता कौन करेगा?
But it was quite a damp squib for both these men. The crowd in front blocked their view. In all, well over 50,000 people at this ground.
थोड़ा आगे होते तो शायद देख पाते।
हाँ।
तो टीवी इससे अच्छा टीवी पे ही देख लेते।
पढ़े
नहीं। For Prime Minister Modi and the BJP, areas like Barabanki present a big challenge. The party won the Lok Sabha seat here in 2014, but the area is a Samajwadi Party stronghold in assembly segments. Will these huge crowds translate into votes for the party? That's the big question. In Barabanki with camera person Ramesh Verma, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.